Are you looking to upgrade those USB chargers so you can get that rapid charging function going, or maybe you want an extra charger for your MacBook? Well, you are in luck because today we have partnered up with Baseus to check out 2 of their USB-C wall charging adapters. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you are new to the channel, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn that bell on to receive notifications. Today we are upgrading my charging options with some USB-C wall chargers by Baseus, and these things are totally awesome. We have 2 models for today's video, the 65 watt version and another one that is 100 watts with some Qualcomm features as well. If you need more information, you can follow the links to both of these products located in the description. So without wasting any more time, let's hit the unboxing table. So let's get the 65 watt charger out of the box and see what all we get. Looks like on top we have our paperwork. We have a USB-C to USB-C cable. Then we have the charger itself. Really nice fold in and out wall plug. And there is the USB and the 2 USB-C type plugs. Right here we see it says 65 watts. And the Baseus branding right there. And it seems we have an LED light right here. And that is what comes in the box on the 65 watt charger. And now for the 100 watt charger with the Qualcomm 5 quick charge functions. So let's see what comes in its packaging. A little bit different type of packaging, but we'll have the cable. Oh, here we go. We have some paperwork. The charger is in here somewhere. There it is. Here is the 100 watt charger. It has 100 on the side with some information here and a flip out plug like the other one did. And on the back here it has the USB-C port for the Qualcomm Quick Charge 5. And of course the cable is a USB-C to USB-C cable. And that is what comes in the packaging on the 100 watt fast charger by Baseus. So now let's talk about some overall usage with these chargers, and I'm going to let you know the 65 watt one is pretty great. It's compact and it charges all of my Android devices in fast charging mode. That's huge for me. Topping off my Pixel in about 40 minutes from around 31%. Normally that would take an hour and 40 minutes, so it really helps speeding that process up. Plus it worked really well with my iPad, giving it fast charging features as well. But the biggest surprise was the compatibility with my laptop. I use an MSI Creator 15 that supports USB-C charging, and this charger worked perfectly, making my power option more portable than carrying the original charger that comes with the laptop. Plus the 100 watt charger will also charge my laptop with no problems. I'm pretty sure it does it a little bit faster too. I usually keep the original charger on my production desk when I need my ports available, but when I'm traveling, I'm always using one of these chargers, saving me tons of space. Also, both of these chargers are universal for 120 volts up to 240 volts. So that's an extra bonus if you're into worldwide traveling. If you are looking to upgrade to a USB-C charger, then I can definitely recommend either of these chargers to get the job done. Both of these have been working excellent for me. I typically enjoy using the 100 watt one with my laptop and the 65 one with my mobile devices, but they will both work either way just great. If you need any more information about these products to figure out which one suits you more, you can use the links to head on over and check them out in the description. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like button and get in the comments and let us know how you would use these chargers. That's going to be it for this one. If you'd like to keep up with more content like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn that bell on if you'd like to receive notifications. Thank you all so much for watching. Once again, my name is Brad, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.